This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 71 K10. I think the speedometer runs a little slow, so we're going probably right around 60. But sure goes down the road nice. Power steering feels good. You can see the gas gauge works. Temp gauge starting to come up. Got a little bit of wind noise in her, but that'd be typical for the old truck. It's still got original weather stripping. But boy, it doesn't pull or anything. Steering wheel's a little off, and there probably is I don't want to say it doesn't pull a little bit, it's got a little pull to the right. So it does got a little pull to the right. It goes down the road nice, not a lot of noises and stuff. Suspension seems pretty tight. So pretty solid truck. If you notice by the bend, it's had a different, when these are done a lot, the cabs rust out, so if somebody grabs a two-wheel drive cab and they put in it, so that's why you see the VIN number with CE. We just like to be full transport instead of CK. So obviously had a different cab at one time, and then they just used the title and the VIN. So make sure that's okay in your state. But good run and drive and pickup. Brakes, got power brakes, they work good. And the transmission shifted nice, so any questions? 605-695-7391.